Welcome to UnityPoint Health, St. Luke's Hospital and our inpatient Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation Center, located in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. St. Luke's is the regional leader in rehabilitation. We help patients recovering from stroke, brain or spinal cord injuries, as well as other conditions needing intense rehabilitation and nursing care. Our dedicated inpatient rehabilitation team helps over 400 people annually regain their independence or adapt to a new normal. St. Luke's Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation scores above the regional and national average in the number of patients returning home. Once an individual is admitted to St. Luke's, our care team of rehabilitation physicians and psychology providers, along with our nurses and therapists, work with the patient and family on an individualized plan that allows them to meet their goals. St. Luke's Rehabilitation Facility has 24 beds. Each spacious private room has its own restroom and can accommodate family members to stay with the patient. You will enjoy meals in our dining room. This space is a great spot to socialize with other guests or visit with family and friends. Another area patients and their family members are encouraged to use is our patient education room and nearby family room. St. Luke's follows specific criteria when admitting a patient.
We work with a very large multidisciplinary team. This includes physical therapists, occupational therapists, speech therapists, medical psychologists, neuropsychologists, recreational therapists, dietary, social work. The team here has done a lot to grow this unit, but every patient that comes here is part of this comprehensive team and receives care from every individual. Your goals are an intricate part of our medical and rehabilitation plan.
As a patient at St. Luke's, the hard work happens here, in our rehabilitation gym. Our team of experienced therapists provide Cedar Rapids' most comprehensive physical, occupational, speech, and recreational therapy. This gym holds the tools and talent ready to help patients reach their goals. Our rehabilitation gym has several unique features. There's a kitchen where patients practice preparing meals, a mock grocery store, a car to practice getting in and out of an area that includes a variety of walking surfaces and steps. Each of these areas helps patients practice the activities of daily living. In addition, St. Luke's has the most up-to-date therapy equipment like the Solo Step, functional electrical stimulation bike, and the Balance Master. All important tools used to help patients get moving again. St. Luke's also has a practice apartment that provides a realistic environment for doctors and therapists to assess a patient's readiness to return home. St. Luke's therapists will evaluate a patient's home environment before discharge, which helps them determine if any changes need to be made so the transition from hospital to home is safe. Our team members strive to integrate patients back into their lives through community outings, trips to the mall, grocery or hardware store, or a planned walk in the park.
One of the things that I think is almost the most rewarding for us is not only seeing people improve and be able to reach their goals, but we establish such a relationship with our patients. And I think that's one of the things that I love most is you get to see people going back and being happy and having hope in their lives again and being able to establish that relationship almost lifelong.
Rehab does not end when the session with their therapist is over. Continued conversation occurs among the team and with our patients to assess what they are doing well and areas for opportunity. When a patient is ready to go home, the team works with the patient and family to identify any needs a patient may have. This may include nursing services, medical equipment, and outpatient therapy.
They had all the tools needed to rehabilitate me back to where I could walk and do everything on my own. The care was tremendous. It, was more than I expected.
Each patient matters. Our team comes alongside each individual on their journey to recovery and surrounds them with care, addressing concerns, equipping them to regain independence and maximize their potential. To schedule a tour of St. Luke's inpatient rehabilitation or visit with a member of our team, call 319-369-7261.